Ice wants to break in a straight line. All you have to do is help it along.
Expert how-tos.
This is how to shave ice for your cocktails. Cocktail is great, but it's better when it stays cold. So today we have large ice from King Cube Ice here in Atlanta. We're gonna use our Pitchfork ice pick. If we hold the ice block together, gently tap, going back and forth across the top, you'll see that we're getting a nice bit of a line across the ice. As you score the ice, you're giving a nice breaking point for this ice cube. So we want to flip the ice cube over. Make sure you hold it steady. You don't want to stab yourself with the ice pick. And work your way back and forth. The trick to this is patience. Nice and easy. Work your way around the ice cube if you can. This is a smaller piece of ice, so we're gonna go all the way around it. Now that we have a nice breaking point for our ice cube, there's a few things we can do. We can continue to work our way around the ice cube. And eventually you'll find a fracture point on your ice cube. Just work your way back and forth. So now you have your ice cube. Kind of made a problem though. It doesn't fit in the glass. If it doesn't fit in the glass, take our Barfly ice knife, and all we have to do is shave off a few pieces. Once you've used your ice knife to get a nice clean edge all the way around, it'll fit in your cocktail glass. But if you want to be fancy, you can always make shapes with it. You can continue to carve your ice down. Makes a nice clean edge. That's why this knife is so important for this usage. Good end on this side. This is a little bit rough. So we can take this, make this nice and flat. We're making almost a gemstone at this point. So now we have flat on both sides. We have 8 points around the side. This side's a little bit off. We'll fix that. So now we have a nice clear ice cube that fits perfectly in our cocktail glass. Cheers.